Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's wiggly, it's because Tim's holding it. I could not wait to open up my June Boxy Charm. So that's what we are doing today, and potentially a couple segments because I'm not totally committed, but I wanted to do the unboxing. How did they know that I have bumps? Oh my god. First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. Safe for sensitive skin. It's an exfoliant. Ooh, enjoy $5 off your next KylieSkin.com order. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. Blah, infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. MSRP $24. Foaming Face Wash. Blah, blah, blah. Ooh, that's cool. Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. 3 multitasking cream to powder face palette includes 2 finishes, demi matte, subtle shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including lips, eyes, and cheeks. Silky smooth, transformative texture goes on like a cream for easy blending and finishes like a powder for long-lasting payoff. Oh. I don't know how I feel about that. This retails for $24. And then we have Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Extra lengthening, volumizing, bold, tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash. This is also $24. Feel the texture of this box. Ooh, feel that. I'm obsessed with this packaging. Oh, well, I guess he wants the box. Is cardboard bad for them?
No, don't let me eat it.
Are you trying to eat this? Ugh. Okay. Moment of truth. Ooh, yes. Oh, by the way, I know I talked about this. Okay, fast-acting, resurfacing body treatment contains chemical and physical exfoliators that work together to deliver the benefits of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. Smooth away bumps, blah, blah, blah. This retails for $18. Okay, and the last thing, Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo. Glossy lip you've always wanted. Vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or casual every day. Use the liner and gloss together or each on their own. The MSRP is $40. Ooh. Oh, she's thick.
It's a lot of lip gloss. You're never gonna get through that.
It's pretty dark.
It is like a color you would use.
I'll give it a shot. I did get some skincare here. Check the description box for a follow-up on that. I'm hoping to use this tonight and tomorrow, so that should be, I should have an opinion. I'm not sure on this. This is brand freaking new. I might pass it on, I'm not sure. I just don't know how I feel about cream products, to be honest with you. Alright, so here's the interruption. I will be doing the mascara and the lip liner. Kind of changed my mind. Well, first impressions, I do like this brush and the application is nice. Oh fuck, my mom's calling me. Stand by for the lip. Anyway, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and until the next one. Why am I being weird? I don't know. Send me home.